Kamu mau lancar berbahasa Inggris? Kesungguhan dan konsistensi merupakan kunci utama yang perlu kalian miliki saat mulai belajar bahasa Inggris. Rutinlah mengulang materi ini dengan praktik mandiri atau dengan temanmu dan rasakan bagaimana peningkatannya. Ayo mulai. Apakah kamu ingin mencoba makanan India?
Do you want to try Indian food? Do you want to try Indian food?
Aku ingin mencoba roti naan.
I want to try some naan bread. I want to try some naan bread.
Apa rencanamu untuk akhir pekan ini?
What's your plan for this weekend? What's your plan for this weekend?
Saya ingin pergi ke pantai.
I want to go to the beach. I want to go to the beach.
Di mana kita akan makan malam nanti?
Where are we going to have dinner tonight? Where are we going to have dinner tonight?
Kita bisa makan di restoran Jepang.
We could eat at a Japanese restaurant. We could eat at a Japanese restaurant.
Apa kamu pernah mencoba menyelam di permukaan?
Have you ever tried snorkeling? Have you ever tried snorkeling?
Belum pernah, tapi aku ingin mencobanya.
Not yet, but I want to try. Not yet, but I want to try.
Apakah kamu akan membawa kamera?
Are you bringing a camera? Are you bringing a camera?
Ya, aku akan membawa kamera.
Yes, I will bring a camera. Yes, I will bring a camera.
Kapan kamu ingin mulai perjalanan?
When do you want to start the journey? When do you want to start the journey?
Kita bisa mulai sekitar pukul 9.
We can start around 9 o'clock. We can start around 9 o'clock.
Apakah kamu suka bersepeda?
Do you like cycling? Do you like cycling?
Tidak terlalu, lebih suka berjalan kaki.
Not really, prefer walking. Not really, prefer walking.
Apakah Anda ingin memeriksa peta?
Do you want to check the map? Do you want to check the map?
Saya rasa kita tidak perlu memeriksanya.
I don't think we need to. I don't think we need to.
Mengapa langit terlihat sangat indah?
Why does the sky look so beautiful? Why does the sky look so beautiful?
Mungkin karena cuacanya cerah.
Maybe because the weather is clear. Maybe because the weather is clear.
Apakah kamu sudah pernah ke taman itu sebelumnya?
Have you been to that park before? Have you been to that park before?
Saya sudah pernah sekali.
I've been there once. I've been there once.
Apakah Anda ingin mencicipi es krim?
Do you want to taste the ice cream? Do you want to taste the ice cream?
Aku pilih yang rasa stroberi.
I'll go for strawberry flavor. I'll go for strawberry flavor.
Mengapa kamu memilih untuk datang ke sini?
Why did you choose to come here? Why did you choose to come here?
Teman saya merekomendasikannya.
My friend recommended it. My friend recommended it.
Apakah jam kerja Anda hari ini sudah selesai?
Has your work hours finished today? Has your work hours finished today?
Aku masih harus bekerja hingga malam.
I still have to work until late at night. I still have to work until late at night.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba pergi memancing?
Do you want to try going fishing? Do you want to try going fishing?
Aku belum pernah mencobanya, tapi aku tertarik.
I've never tried it, but I'm interested. I've never tried it, but I'm interested.
Apa yang biasanya kamu bawa saat pergi jalan-jalan?
What do you usually bring when going out? What do you usually bring when going out?
Aku selalu bawa air minum dan kacamata.
I always bring water and sunglasses. I always bring water and sunglasses.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba melakukan yoga?
Do you want to try doing yoga? Do you want to try doing yoga?
Aku sudah sering mencobanya.
I've tried it many times. I've tried it many times.
Apa yang membuat kita merasa senang?
What makes us feel happy? What makes us feel happy?
Melihat matahari tenggelam membuat saya bahagia.
Watching the sunset makes me happy. Watching the sunset makes me happy.
Mengapa kita harus bergegas?
Why do we have to hurry? Why do we have to hurry?
Kita tak ingin ketinggalan bis.
We don't want to miss the bus. We don't want to miss the bus.
Apakah kamu suka melakukan piknik?
Do you like having a picnic? Do you like having a picnic?
Tidak begitu, lebih suka makan di rumah.
Not so much. Prefer to eat at home. Not so much. Prefer to eat at home.
Apakah kamu memiliki kamera untuk video?
Do you have a video camera? Do you have a video camera?
Saya tidak memiliki kamera untuk video.
I don't have a video camera. I don't have a video camera.
Apa yang ingin kamu lakukan di hutan?
What do you want to do in the forest? What do you want to do in the forest?
Ayo mencari danau yang indah.
Let's find a beautiful lake. Let's find a beautiful lake.
Apakah kita akan menemukan sungai di sana?
Will we find a river there? Will we find a river there?
Kita akan menemukan sungai kecil.
We will find a small river. We will find a small river.
Apakah kamu sudah pernah mencoba para layang?
Have you ever tried paragliding? Have you ever tried paragliding?
Aku belum, tapi ingin mencobanya.
Not yet, but I want to try. Not yet, but I want to try.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba menaiki kuda?
Do you want to try horse riding? Do you want to try horse riding?
Aku takut kuda, jadi tidak.
I'm afraid of horses, so no. I'm afraid of horses, so no.
Mengapa kita harus pergi ke pantai?
Why should we go to the beach? Why should we go to the beach?
Kita bisa melihat matahari terbenam.
We can see the sunset. We can see the sunset.
Apakah kamu suka mendaki gunung?
Do you like mountain climbing? Do you like mountain climbing?
Saya lebih suka bersepeda gunung.
I prefer mountain biking. I prefer mountain biking.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba banyak makanan di sana?
Do you want to try many foods there? Do you want to try many foods there?
Tentu, aku ingin mencoba semuanya.
Definitely, I want to try them all. Definitely, I want to try them all.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba memancing di danau?
Do you want to try fishing in the lake? Do you want to try fishing in the lake?
Aku belum pernah, tapi ingin mencoba.
I've never tried, but I want to. I've never tried, but I want to.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba menaiki kuda?
Do you want to try horse riding? Do you want to try horse riding?
Aku takut kuda, jadi tidak.
I'm afraid of horses, so no. I'm afraid of horses, so no.
Mengapa kamu suka melakukan hiking?
Why do you like hiking? Why do you like hiking?
Saya suka melihat pemandangan alam.
I like to see the natural scenery. I like to see the natural scenery.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba makanan khas daerah ini?
Do you want to try the local cuisine? Do you want to try the local cuisine?
Aku ingin mencoba makanan khas daerah.
I want to try the local cuisine. I want to try the local cuisine.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba menaiki sepeda gunung?
Do you want to try mountain biking? Do you want to try mountain biking?
Aku belum pernah, tapi ingin mencoba.
I've never tried, but I want to. I've never tried, but I want to.
Mengapa kita harus pergi ke hutan?
Why should we go to the forest? Why should we go to the forest?
Kita bisa melihat pemandangan yang indah.
We can see beautiful scenery. We can see beautiful scenery.
Apakah kamu pernah pergi ke Taman Nasional?
Have you ever been to a national park? Have you ever been to a national park?
Ini yang kali pertama bagiku.
This is my first time. This is my first time.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba mendaki gunung?
Do you want to try mountain climbing? Do you want to try mountain climbing?
Aku sudah sering mencobanya.
I've tried it many times. I've tried it many times.
Apa kamu suka berenang di laut?
Do you like swimming in the sea? Do you like swimming in the sea?
Lebih suka berenang di kolam renang.
I prefer swimming in a pool. I prefer swimming in a pool.
Apakah kamu ingin coba mengendarai sepeda roda 3?
Do you want to try riding a tricycle? Do you want to try riding a tricycle?
Aku belum pernah mencoba, tapi ingin mencoba.
I've never tried, but I want to try. I've never tried, but I want to try.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba naik perahu layar?
Do you want to try sailing? Do you want to try sailing?
Aku belum pernah, tapi tertarik.
I've never tried it, but I'm interested. I've never tried it, but I'm interested.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba memancing di danau?
Do you want to try fishing in the lake? Do you want to try fishing in the lake?
Aku belum pernah, tapi ingin mencoba.
I've never tried, but I want to. I've never tried, but I want to.
Apakah kamu suka berenang di sungai?
Do you like to swim in the river? Do you like to swim in the river?
Lebih suka berenang di kolam renang.
I prefer swimming in a pool. I prefer swimming in a pool.
Mengapa kita harus pergi ke taman bermain?
Why should we go to the amusement park? Why should we go to the amusement park?
Karena kita bisa mencoba wahana baru.
Because we can try new rides. Because we can try new rides.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba mendaki gunung berapi?
Do you want to try climbing a volcano? Do you want to try climbing a volcano?
Aku belum pernah, tapi ingin mencoba.
I've never tried, but I want to. I've never tried, but I want to.
Apakah kamu pernah mencoba panjat tebing?
Have you ever tried rock climbing? Have you ever tried rock climbing?
Aku belum pernah, tapi tertarik.
I've never tried it, but I'm interested. I've never tried it, but I'm interested.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba berlayar di sungai?
Do you want to try sailing on the river? Do you want to try sailing on the river?
Saya akan memilih perahu kayu tradisional.
I'll go for a traditional wooden boat. I'll go for a traditional wooden boat.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba menaiki sepeda tandem?
Do you want to try riding a tandem bike? Do you want to try riding a tandem bike?
Aku belum pernah mencoba, tapi tertarik.
I've never tried, but I'm interested. I've never tried, but I'm interested.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba menaiki kereta uap?
Do you want to try riding a steam train? Do you want to try riding a steam train?
Aku belum pernah mencoba, tapi tertarik.
I've never tried, but I'm interested. I've never tried, but I'm interested.
Apa resep kue favoritmu?
What's your favorite cake recipe? What's your favorite cake recipe?
Saya lebih suka membuat kue coklat.
I prefer making chocolate cake. I prefer making chocolate cake.
Bagaimana dengan menonton konser musik?
How about going to a music concert? How about going to a music concert?
Sepertinya menarik, mari kita pergi.
Sounds interesting, let's go. Sounds interesting, let's go.
Kapan terakhir kali kamu pergi ke taman?
When was the last time you went to the park? When was the last time you went to the park?
Kemarin, saya piknik di taman.
Yesterday, I had a picnic at the park. Yesterday, I had a picnic at the park.
Apa yang bisa kita lakukan di akhir pekan?
What can we do on the weekend? What can we do on the weekend?
Saya ingin mencoba hiking.
I want to try hiking. I want to try hiking.
Mungkin kita bisa mencoba berkebun.
Maybe we can try gardening. Maybe we can try gardening.
Terdengar menyenangkan, mari coba.
Sounds nice, let's try it. Sounds nice, let's try it.
Bagaimana dengan mencoba berselancar?
How about trying surfing? How about trying surfing?
Saya lebih suka mencoba selam permukaan.
I prefer trying snorkeling. I prefer trying snorkeling.
Apakah kamu suka memancing?
Do you like fishing? Do you like fishing?
Saya lebih suka bermain bola.
I prefer playing ball games. I prefer playing ball games.
Apakah kamu suka menari?
Do you like dancing? Do you like dancing?
Saya lebih suka berkaraoke.
I prefer karaoke. I prefer karaoke.
Mau mencoba membuat kerajinan tangan?
Want to try making crafts? Want to try making crafts?
Saya lebih tertarik belajar memasak.
I'm more interested in learning to cook. I'm more interested in learning to cook.
Apa kamu suka melukis?
Do you like painting? Do you like painting?
Saya lebih suka mendengarkan musik.
I prefer listening to music. I prefer listening to music.
Bagaimana dengan ikut kelas memasak?
How about taking a cooking class? How about taking a cooking class?
Terdengar menarik, mari kita coba.
Sounds interesting, let's try it. Sounds interesting, let's try it.
Mau ikut saya ke pesta malam ini?
Want to come with me to the party tonight? Want to come with me to the party tonight?
Saya lebih suka tidur lebih awal.
I prefer to sleep early. I prefer to sleep early.
Apa kamu sudah pernah mencoba mendaki gunung?
Have you tried mountain climbing? Have you tried mountain climbing?
Belum, tapi saya tertarik mencobanya.
Not yet, but I'm interested in trying. Not yet, but I'm interested in trying.
Mungkin bisa mencoba belajar bahasa baru.
Maybe we can try learning a new language. Maybe we can try learning a new language.
Saya sudah belajar bahasa Spanyol.
I'm already learning Spanish. I'm already learning Spanish.
Apa yang biasanya kamu lakukan saat liburan?
What do you usually do on vacation? What do you usually do on vacation?
Saya suka mengunjungi tempat wisata.
I like visiting tourist attractions. I like visiting tourist attractions.
Bagaimana kalau mencoba melukis bersama?
How about trying painting together? How about trying painting together?
Saya lebih suka mencoba membuat kerajinan tangan.
I prefer trying to make crafts. I prefer trying to make crafts.
Mungkin bisa mencoba bermain bola basket.
Maybe we can try playing basketball. Maybe we can try playing basketball.
Saya lebih suka bermain voli.
I prefer playing volleyball. I prefer playing volleyball.
Apa hal yang ingin kamu lakukan di akhir pekan?
What do you want to do on the weekend? What do you want to do on the weekend?
Saya ingin mencoba hiking.
I want to try hiking. I want to try hiking.
Bagaimana kalau kita mengunjungi tempat bersejarah?
How about visiting historical places? How about visiting historical places?
Saya lebih tertarik ke museum seni.
I'm more interested in art museums. I'm more interested in art museums.
Apa yang biasanya kamu lakukan saat tamasya?
What do you usually do when sightseeing? What do you usually do when sightseeing?
Saya suka mencoba makanan lokal.
I like trying local food. I like trying local food.
Bagaimana kalau kita mencoba memasak masakan Jepang?
How about trying to cook Japanese dishes? How about trying to cook Japanese dishes?
Saya lebih suka memasak masakan Thailand.
I prefer cooking Thai dishes. I prefer cooking Thai dishes.
Apa taman hiburan favoritmu?
What's your favorite theme park? What's your favorite theme park?
Saya suka taman hiburan dengan wahana air.
I like theme parks with water rides. I like theme parks with water rides.
Apa yang biasanya kamu lakukan setelah tamasya?
What do you usually do after sightseeing? What do you usually do after sightseeing?
Saya suka beristirahat di kafe.
I like to rest at a cafe. I like to rest at a cafe.
Mungkin kita bisa mencoba bermain permainan papan.
Maybe we can try playing board games. Maybe we can try playing board games.
Kedengarannya menyenangkan, mari kita mainkan.
Sounds nice, let's play. Sounds nice, let's play.
Apa kegiatan favoritmu di musim gugur?
What is your favorite activity in the fall? What is your favorite activity in the fall?
Saya suka berjalan-jalan, menikmati daun gugur.
I like strolling and enjoying the fall foliage. I like strolling and enjoying the fall foliage.
Mungkin kita bisa mencoba berkemah di hutan.
Maybe we can try camping in the forest. Maybe we can try camping in the forest.
Saya lebih suka berkemah di tepi danau.
I prefer camping by the lake. I prefer camping by the lake.
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat tamasya di luar negeri?
What do you do when sightseeing abroad? What do you do when sightseeing abroad?
Saya suka mencoba makanan lokal.
I like trying local food. I like trying local food.
Mungkin kita bisa mencoba naik roller coaster.
Maybe we can try riding a roller coaster. Maybe we can try riding a roller coaster.
Saya tidak suka naik roller coaster.
I don't like riding roller coasters. I don't like riding roller coasters.
Apa festival musik favoritmu?
What's your favorite music festival? What's your favorite music festival?
Saya suka festival musik indie.
I like indie music festivals. I like indie music festivals.
Bagaimana kalau mencoba membuat sushi sendiri?
How about trying to make sushi ourselves? How about trying to make sushi ourselves?
Saya lebih suka memesan sushi di restoran.
I prefer ordering sushi at a restaurant. I prefer ordering sushi at a restaurant.
Mungkin kita bisa mencoba mengunjungi taman safari.
Maybe we can try visiting the safari park. Maybe we can try visiting the safari park.
Saya lebih tertarik ke kebun binatang.
I'm more interested in visiting the zoo. I'm more interested in visiting the zoo.
Apa taman bermain favoritmu?
What's your favorite amusement park? What's your favorite amusement park?
Saya suka taman bermain dengan wahana ekstrim.
I like amusement parks with extreme rides. I like amusement parks with extreme rides.
Apa kamu sudah pernah mencoba olahraga air?
Have you tried water sports? Have you tried water sports?
Saya suka berselancar.
I like surfing. I like surfing.
Bagaimana kalau kita mencoba makanan jalanan?
How about trying street food? How about trying street food?
Saya lebih suka mencoba makanan di restoran.
I prefer trying food in restaurants. I prefer trying food in restaurants.
Mungkin kita bisa mencoba bermain paintball.
Maybe we can try playing paintball. Maybe we can try playing paintball.
Saya tidak terlalu suka bermain paintball.
I'm not really into playing paintball. I'm not really into playing paintball.
Mungkin kita bisa mencoba berkumpul untuk piknik.
Maybe we can try gathering for a picnic. Maybe we can try gathering for a picnic.
Kedengarannya menyenangkan, mari kita lakukan.
Sounds nice, let's do it. Sounds nice, let's do it.
Apa rencana liburan musim dinginmu?
What's your plan for the winter vacation? What's your plan for the winter vacation?
Saya ingin berlibur di tempat bersalju.
I want to vacation in a snowy place. I want to vacation in a snowy place.
Bagaimana kalau kita mencoba bermain laser tag?
How about trying to play laser tag? How about trying to play laser tag?
Saya lebih suka bermain panahan.
I prefer playing archery. I prefer playing archery.
Mungkin kita bisa mencoba belajar memancing.
Maybe we can try learning fishing. Maybe we can try learning fishing.
Saya lebih suka berenang.
I prefer swimming. I prefer swimming.
Apa taman bermain air favoritmu?
What's your favorite water park? What's your favorite water park?
Saya suka taman bermain air dengan seluncur.
I like water parks with slides. I like water parks with slides.
Mungkin kita bisa mencoba festival makanan lokal.
Maybe we can try a local food festival. Maybe we can try a local food festival.
Saya tidak terlalu suka keramaian.
I'm not really into crowds. I'm not really into crowds.
Apa tempat wisata favoritmu di luar negeri?
What's your favorite tourist spot abroad? What's your favorite tourist spot abroad?
Saya suka pantai eksotis di Karibia.
I like exotic beaches in the Caribbean. I like exotic beaches in the Caribbean.
Ini hari yang cerah.
It's a bright day. It's a bright day.
Ya, benar sekali.
Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly.
Apakah kamu suka makanan pedas?
Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food?
Tidak, saya tidak suka.
No, I don't like it. No, I don't like it.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba menjelajahi gua?
Do you want to try exploring a cave? Do you want to try exploring a cave?
Kita harus membawa penerangan tambahan.
We need to bring additional lighting. We need to bring additional lighting.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba bersantai di tepi sungai?
Do you want to try relaxing by the river? Do you want to try relaxing by the river?
Aku lebih suka duduk di pantai.
I prefer sitting on the beach. I prefer sitting on the beach.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba mendaki bukit?
Do you want to try climbing the hill? Do you want to try climbing the hill?
Saya lebih suka berjalan-jalan.
I prefer walking around. I prefer walking around.
Apakah kamu suka memancing di sungai?
Do you like fishing in the river? Do you like fishing in the river?
Tidak terlalu, lebih suka di danau.
Not so much, prefer in the lake. Not so much, prefer in the lake.
Apakah kita harus berangkat sebelum matahari terbit?
Should we leave before sunrise? Should we leave before sunrise?
Tidak perlu, kita bisa berangkat pagi.
No need, we can leave in the morning. No need, We can leave in the morning.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba memasak di alam bebas?
Do you want to try cooking outdoors? Do you want to try cooking outdoors?
Aku belum pernah mencoba, tapi tertarik.
I've never tried, but I'm interested. I've never tried, but I'm interested.
Apakah kamu pernah mencoba menaiki kapal pesiar?
Have you ever tried cruising? Have you ever tried cruising?
Aku belum, tapi ingin mencobanya.
Not yet, but I want to try. Not yet, but I want to try.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba makanan jalanan?
Do you want to try street food? Do you want to try street food?
Aku lebih suka makan di restoran.
I prefer eating in a restaurant. I prefer eating in a restaurant.
Apakah kamu ingin mencicipi minuman lokal?
Do you want to taste the local drink? Do you want to taste the local drink?
Aku ingin mencicipi jus buah segar.
I want to taste fresh fruit juice. I want to taste fresh fruit juice.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba berjalan kaki di desa?
Do you want to try walking in the village? Do you want to try walking in the village?
Aku lebih suka bersepeda.
I prefer cycling. I prefer cycling.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba bermain olahraga air?
Do you want to try playing water sports? Do you want to try playing water sports?
Aku lebih suka menunggang kuda.
I prefer horseback riding. I prefer horseback riding.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba menari di pantai?
Do you want to try dancing on the beach? Do you want to try dancing on the beach?
Aku ingin mencoba menari tari tradisional.
I want to try traditional dancing. I want to try traditional dancing.
Apakah kamu ingin mencoba bermain layang-layang?
Do you want to try playing kites? Do you want to try playing kites?
Aku suka bermain layang-layang.
I like playing kites. I like playing kites.
Apa kabar hari ini?
How are you today? How are you today?
Baik, bagaimana denganmu?
Good, how about you? Good, how about you?
Apa kamu sudah sarapan?
Have you had breakfast? Have you had breakfast?
Belum lapar.
Not yet, not hungry yet. Not yet, not hungry yet.
Apa rencana kita hari ini?
What's our plan for today? What's our plan for today?
Mungkin kita bisa piknik.
Maybe we can go for a picnic. Maybe we can go for a picnic.
Ayo pergi ke taman.
Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park.
Tapi hari ini cuaca buruk.
But the weather is bad today. But the weather is bad today.
Apa ceritamu?
What's your story? What's your story?
Baru aja balik dari liburan.
Just got back from vacation. Just got back from vacation.
Apa ada rencana akhir pekan?
Any plans for the weekend? Any plans for the weekend?
Mungkin ingin mencoba restoran baru.
Maybe want to try a new restaurant. Maybe want to try a new restaurant.
Apa aktivitasmu hari ini?
What's your activity today? What's your activity today?
Lagi merencanakan liburan ke pantai.
Planning a beach vacation. Planning a beach vacation.
Yuk bersepeda sore nanti.
Let's go bike riding in the evening. Let's go bike riding in the evening.
Sayangnya, aku tak bawa sepeda.
Unfortunately, I didn't bring my bike. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my bike.
Apa harapanmu untuk hari ini?
What's your hope for today? What's your hope for today?
Semoga hari ini tidak hujan.
Hopefully it won't rain today. Hopefully it won't rain today.
Apa kamu sudah mencari informasi tamasya?
Have you looked for travel information? Have you looked for travel information?
Belum, masih mencari tempat yang bagus.
Not yet, still looking for a nice place. Not yet, still looking for a nice place.
Saya ingin pergi jalan-jalan.
I want to go for a stroll. I want to go for a stroll.
Kemana mau pergi?
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
Bagaimana kalau kita ke taman?
How about going to the park? How about going to the park?
Tidak, saya lebih suka ke pantai.
No, I prefer going to the beach. No, I prefer going to the beach.
Apa pendapatmu tentang berjalan kaki?
What do you think about walking? What do you think about walking?
Lebih suka bersepeda.
Prefer biking. Prefer biking.
Ayo kita ke museum sejarah.
Let's go to the history museum. Let's go to the history museum.
Tapi saya lebih suka ke hutan.
But I prefer going to the forest. But I prefer going to the forest.
Maukah ikut saya ke pasar?
Want to come with me to the market? Want to come with me to the market?
Maaf, saya sedang sibuk.
Sorry, I am busy. Sorry, I am busy.
Bagaimana dengan piknik di laut?
How about a picnic by the sea? How about a picnic by the sea?
Tidak, saya mau pergi ke danau.
No, I want to go to the lake. No, I want to go to the lake.
Mungkin kita bisa coba makanan Thailand.
Maybe we can try Thai food. Maybe we can try Thai food.
Apa kamu sudah mencoba makanan Vietnam?
Have you tried Vietnamese food? Have you tried Vietnamese food?
Bagaimana kalau kita menjelajahi hutan?
How about exploring the forest? How about exploring the forest?
Saya lebih tertarik ke padang rumput.
I'm more interested in the grass field. I'm more interested in the grass field.
Apakah kamu suka berkemah?
Do you like camping? Do you like camping?
Saya lebih suka berkemah di gunung.
I prefer camping in the mountains. I prefer camping in the mountains.
Apa rencanamu hari ini?
What's your plan today? What's your plan today?
Saya berencana ke museum.
I'm planning to go to the museum. I'm planning to go to the museum.
Bagaimana kalau kita makan siang bersama?
How about having lunch together? How about having lunch together?
Sayangnya, saya sudah punya janji.
Unfortunately, I already have plans. Unfortunately, I already have plans.
Apa kamu suka menonton film?
Do you like watching movies? Do you like watching movies?
Ya, saya suka menonton film romantis.
Yes, I like watching romantic movies. Yes, I like watching romantic movies.
Apa yang kamu lakukan kemarin?
What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
Saya pergi berbelanja.
I went shopping. I went shopping.
Bagaimana kalau kita mengunjungi toko buku?
How about visiting the bookstore? How about visiting the bookstore?
Saya lebih tertarik ke toko musik.
I'm more interested in the music store. I'm more interested in the music store.
Apa pendapatmu tentang bermain badminton?
What do you think about playing badminton? What do you think about playing badminton?
Saya lebih suka berenang.
I prefer swimming. I prefer swimming.
Maukah mencoba makanan India?
Want to try Indian food? Want to try Indian food?
Saya lebih suka mencoba makanan Italia.
I prefer trying Italian food. I prefer trying Italian food.
Bagaimana dengan berjalan-jalan di sekitar kota?
How about taking a stroll around the city? How about taking a stroll around the city?
Saya lebih tertarik ke taman.
I'm more interested in going to the park. I'm more interested in going to the park.
Apa parfum favoritmu?
What's your favorite perfume? What's your favorite perfume?
Saya lebih suka menggunakan body mist.
I prefer using body mist. I prefer using body mist.
Apa kamu suka bersepeda?
Do you like biking? Do you like biking?
Lebih senang berlari.
I prefer running. I prefer running.
Inginkah membeli tiket konser bersama?
Want to buy concert tickets together? Want to buy concert tickets together?
Saya tidak terlalu suka konser.
I'm not really into concerts. I'm not really into concerts.
Bagaimana kalau kita mencoba yoga?
How about trying yoga? How about trying yoga?
Sepertinya menarik, mari kita coba.
Sounds interesting, let's try it. Sounds interesting, let's try it.
Apa ide terbaik untuk liburan?
What's the best idea for a vacation? What's the best idea for a vacation?
Saya suka berlibur di pantai.
I like vacationing at the beach. I like vacationing at the beach.